This conference will now be recorded.
Guys, how are you? How are you? Today class topic is exception handling, right? I think we done the two class about exception handling. Today is a class three. Mm, yeah. So yes, last class what the points we done regarding try and catch block, right? We please respond, man. Last class topic
Yes,
is what?
try and catch we completed.
Try catch blocks we done. Yesterday this was the finally block first of all. One more category is there in the try block, guys. I will discuss. Let me finish the first finally block, then I will take the remaining part of the try catches. Okay, good. Okay, finally block. So we know like try block contains exceptional code. It may or may not raise an exception. Guys, try block contains exceptional code, right? It may or may not raise an exception. Don't think like try block mandatory contains exception, guys. Try block it may contains exception or what may not contains exception. Because whenever the try block exception rise, then what happens? Guys, whenever the exception rise in try, then what happens? The corresponding catch block will be executed, right?
Yes.
Guys, whenever the exception rise in the try block, the corresponding catch block will be executed. The corresponding catch block executed, right? Exactly. Guys, check this scenario once. I have a try block. I open database connection. In the try block, I open database connection, guys. I'm doing some transaction one, transaction two, like this. Assume that my transaction, all transactions are success. Yes, here I'm closing the connection. First case, all transactions are success. If a transaction one, transaction two, all transactions are success. Guys, all transactions are success. Then what happens? If all transactions are success, then connection is closed
Connection
or not
should be
closed?
closed.
Yeah,
Connection should
connection is closed, right? All transactions are success, connection definitely closed, right? Definitely closed, guys. The second one is what? Assume like transaction two is failed. Guys, transaction two is what? Transaction two failed. Transaction two failed, guys. Catch block is matched. Guys, transaction two failed. Catch block is matched. Catch block is matched means the normal termination, abnormal termination. This catch block is matched means it is normal termination, abnormal termination.
normal termination.
Yeah, catch block is matched means it is normal termination, right? Catch block is not matched normal termination means connection is closed, not closed. Connection definitely, yeah, connection is closed, right? Guys, observe carefully. In the try block, I opened the connection. I'm doing some transactions. I'm closing the connection here. Okay. So first case, all transactions are success. If all transactions are success, connection is closed, not closed. Definitely connection is what? Closed, right? Yes, if all transactions are success, then connection is closed. Assume like transaction 2 failed. If transaction 2 failed means what happened, guys? Transaction 2 failed, catch block is matched. Transaction 2 failed, catch block is matched means then catch block executed, not executed. Then catch block
Ex-
executed, right? Yeah, catch block executed. Then connection is closed, not closed. Connection is again closed, right? Exactly. Yes, first two case connection closed properly. But assume like again transaction 2 failed. One more case like transaction 2 failed. Transaction 2 failed, guys, catch is not matched. Guys, transaction 2 failed, catch is not matched means catch is not matched. Then normal termination, abnormal termination.
Abnormal.
Transaction 2 failed, catch is not matched. Catch is not matched means is normal termination, abnormal termination. Abnormal termination. If it is abnormal termination means connection is closed or not closed.
Not closed.
Oi, connection is closed or not closed. Connection is what? Not
Not closed.
closed, right? Exactly, guys. Guys, are it clear now? See, guys, first case, all transactions are success. All transactions are success. Application going terminate normally. Connection is closed. Second case, transaction 2 failed. Transaction 2 failed. Catch is matched. Catch is matched means again normal termination. Again normal termination means again connection will be closed, right? It's not a problem. Connection is second case, connection is closed. But third case is transaction 2 failed. Catch is matched or not matched means catch is not matched. If the catch is not matched means it's normal termination, abnormal termination. It's abnormal
Abnormal.
termination, right? Abnormal termination means connection is closed, not closed. Connection is not closed, right? Exactly. Guys, with these 3 points we can decide. I think first two cases connection is closed, right? Guys, first two cases connection is closed. Last case connection is closed, not closed. Last
Not
case
closed.
connection is not closed, right? Exactly. But generally, tell me guys, you have to close the connection both normal cases and abnormal cases, or we have to close the connection only normal cases? Guys, try to understand the point. We have to close the connection both normal and abnormal cases or only normal cases?
Both the
Only
cases.
normal.
Yeah, we have to close the connection both normal and what abnormal cases, right? Exactly. Yes, to close the connection both normal and abnormal cases, both normal and abnormal cases, which block is executed? Finally block executed, guys.
Finally.
That's what you can take this code inside the finally block. Then this finally block would executed both normal termination case, abnormal termination case. In the finally block executed both normal case and abnormal cases, then both cases the connection will be closed, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? Good. The connection is the finally block. Sorry, guys. The finally block executed. The finally block executed both normal and abnormal cases, right? Guys, finally block executed. So both the normal and what? Normal and abnormal cases, right? Yeah, the finally block executed both normal and abnormal cases. So so the connection is closed both normal cases and abnormal cases, right? Guys, you got the clarity about finally block or not? Hmm? To close the connection both normal case and abnormal cases, which data you want to execute both normal cases as well as abnormal cases, then we define which block is here finally block. Guys, are it clear now? See these three cases, guys. Connection is open, both transactions are success, normal termination. Connection is closed. Second is the connection is open, guys. First transaction is failed. Catch is matched. Catch is matched means
Normal.
yeah, catch is matched means normal termination. Normal termination means connection is what? Connection is closed, right? Exactly. Third case is what? Connection is open. Connection open. Second transaction is failed. Second transaction is failed means catch is matched or not matched?
Not matched.
Catch block is matched or not matched? Catch block is not matched, right? If the catch block is not matched, normal termination, abnormal termination. Abnormal termination.
termination.
Abnormal termination means connection is closed, not closed, not closed, right? Exactly. The reason, guys, we have to close the connection both normal cases, abnormal cases, then use finally block, right? Is to close the connection both normal case and abnormal cases, use which block is here finally block, because the finally block executed both normal case and what abnormal cases, right? Guys, you got the clarity about the finally block, right? Generally, to release the resources, guys, to close the connections, to close the scanner, to close the file, okay, generally to release the resources, there's generally to release the resources, we are using which block, guys? Here finally block, right?
Finally.
Exactly. Guys, first case, what's the output? Tell me now. Case one. Guys, case one, what is output? Here the case one is there. Try block is there. Catch finally is there. What is output now?
Try and finally.
Guys, try block, any exception is there? There is no exception, right?
No.
What is output now?
Final block will be executed. So both try and finally will be the output.
Guys, try block executed. There is no exception in try means catch is not executed. So output will be what? Try and guys, the output will be what? Try and finally, right?
Yes.
Guys, the output will be the try and finally. The first case, guys. Second case, you can know what is output now? Guys, second case, what is the output?
Catch block.
Catch and finally.
Yeah, catch and
with
finally.
Finally.
Because in the try block you got the exception, right? So the catch block executed. So we got output like catch and finally, right? Exactly. Guys, whatever third case you try block exception raised. Try block exception
There is
raised.
no matching catch.
Finally
There
allowed.
is no match. Only finally.
Mm.
Only
Finally.
finally will be there.
So try block exception raised. Try block exception raised means what happened, guys? Catch block is matched or not matched? I think catch is not
I
matched.
think error will be there, sir, if in case we don't
Not matched means normal termination, abnormal termination. Definitely
abnormal
abnormal termination. So before abnormal termination, which block executed? Finally block executed or not? Yes,
Yeah.
before abnormal termination, which block executed? Finally block executed,
Finally.
right? That's what this case was output case you'll get. You'll get the output is like finally block and abnormal termination, right? Exactly. Then you can place the code here. Yeah. So you can save this code local disk in the file is called what? Test.java file, right? That's it. Local disk test.java file. Just open the command prompt, guys. CMD. Once if you open the command prompt, local disk cls local disk that's it. Guys, you can compile this code. Guys, first case, okay, fine. Java C. Guys, let me run all the cases once. First case will be case one, guys. Case one, there is no exception in three blocks. Try block is code normally, catch block code is also normal, finally block code also normal, right? If there is no exception in all three blocks, then this case, what is output? Yeah, this case was output guys now. Yes, this is the case one. Try,
Try
catch,
finally.
and what? Yeah, this case we expected output is what? Try and what? Finally, right? Code is compiled fine, code executed fine. So try and Java C test.java code is compiled fine, code executed fine. We got output is what? Try and finally, right? Try and finally, guys. Second case, you can see we got exception like 10 by 0. Guys, 10 by 0 means which exception raised? Arithmetic exception. So catch block is matched or not matched?
Match,
Catch block is also matched, right? Then this case, what is output now?
catch, and finally.
Yes, catch and finally, right? Exactly. Yes, if you run this code, so where the code is compiled fine, code executed fine. This is the case to catch and finally. Guys, both cases finally executing, right? Exactly. Guys, third case, I can write the null pointer exception here. Null pointer exception means then catch block is matched or not matched. Null
Not
pointer
match.
exception means catch block is matched or not matched. Not matched. Catch block is not matched means normal termination, abnormal termination, abnormal termination. If it is abnormal termination means rest of the code execute not execute. Why it
Catch
is saying it?
open race is not.
Catch opening base, right? That's it. Okay, then code is compiled fine. Code is compiled fine. Java C test.java. Code is compiled fine. So Java the class is called which class guys here? Test class. See the output here. So finally block executed normal abnormal termination, right? Yes, basically it's abnormal termination, but before abnormal termination, which block executing? Yes,
Finally
before
block.
abnormal termination, which block executing? Finally block executing, right? Exactly, guys. Guys, fourth case. If we take the fourth case, 10 by 0 is exception, and here arithmetic exception is matched. Yes, arithmetic exception also matched. But in arithmetic exception, again we got exception, guys. What exception here? So rather than that, we got exception like rather than that, caret method of 12th position. Yes, but 12th position, do you have any character?
No.
Yes, 12th position, do you have any character? There is no character, right? Then what happened now? 12th position, there is no character, then we get exception like
String
what
index.
exception is? So code is compiled fine, code executed fine. We got exception like string index of the bounds exception, right? So we got exception like string index out of bounds exception, guys. Yes, by before that final block executing, not executing.
Executed.
Yes, before that final block executed, not executed. So in all cases, if you observe final block executed or not executed, guys, definitely final block is executed, right? Exactly.
Yes.
There's maybe a chance of even finally block also we have the exception. So don't think like finally block code is perfect code. Even while releasing the resources, while closing the resources, if the resource is already closed, assume like resource is not available. If resource is not available, maybe a chance of here also you get error, right? Guys, here also you get the error, right? Exactly, guys. That is information basically. Then Java C test.java. So Java C test.java. Guys, now tell me, now we got which exception now? Try block contains arithmetic exception. Catch block contains string index for the bounds exception. Finally block contains again arithmetic exception. And which exception we raised? As out of three blocks, which block executed at last time?
Finally.
Is out of three blocks, which block executed at last means finally block. In the finally block, what is output now?
Arithmetic exception.
Arithmetic exception, right? That's what Java C test, Java test. Guys, we got exception like arithmetic exception, right? Yes, don't think like final block should be perfect code. Maybe a chance of final block also exception will be raised. Okay, good guys. Yes, last case, sixth case here. If we take the sixth case, I written the only try and finally, guys. Guys, the syntax is valid or invalid now? Only try and finally. The
Invalid.
syntax without catch.
Yes.
Guys, yesterday we written the only try block.
Either catch.
Only try block is not allowed. That's what it's showing error message clearly. Try without catch. See this message, guys. Try without catch or finally or resource declaration, right? Guys, try without catch or finally. It means what? Try finally is also valid syntax, right?
Valid. Yes.
Guys, it's saying try without catch or finally. It means try finally is also valid syntax, guys. No problem at all. Then you can compile this code. Code is compiled fine. Code executed fine, right? Code executed fine. So we got output is what? Try and finally. Guys, I hope you got the clarity, right? About the try catch finally. Try block to write the exceptional code. It may or may not raise an exception. So catch block contains logics. This logic is executed when you got the exception in try. Finally, block code is always executed to release the resources. Finally, block code is always executed to release the resources, right? Guys, yes or no?
Yes.
Here the application without finally block. Application without, without which block here? Without finally block. Without finally block means what is the problem, guys? The resources may not close, right? The resource may not close. The resources closed normal cases, guys, but resources are not closed abnormal cases, right? Exactly. But to close the resources, both normal case and abnormal cases, application with finally block. Application to finally block means what? Try, catch, and what? Finally can take. Then you can close the connection, right? Exactly. Guys, we understood that finally block is always executed irrespective of try catches to close your resources. Yes, to close resources, both normal case and abnormal cases, right? Guys, I hope you got the clarity, right? First case, try finally. Second case, catch finally. Third case, finally, abnormal termination. Fourth case is what? Exception lies in the catch block means abnormal termination. Abnormal termination means what? Final block executed. Fifth case, maybe a chance of exception lies in the try block also. Sixth case is what? Only try finally is also valid. Invalid, guys. Only try finally is also valid syntax, right?
Valid.
Exactly, guys. Good. Guys, that's all you do. Try, catch, and finally. Good. See, guys, all cases finally block executed. It's not a problem. But tell me, guys, this case, what is output now? The system.out.println of 10 by 0. Okay, is this case exception handling is started or not started first of all? System.out.println of 10 by 0.
Exception is not handled and it is not even in the try block. It is outside the try block.
That is not in the try block. That is outside the try block only. Guys, tell me here, exception handling is started or not started simply? The exception handling is not started, right? Yes,
Not
exception handling is not started means what? There is no chance of executing finally block, guys. The finally block is always almost automatically executed. Okay, the finally block is automatically executed only when the try block is started, guys. But here the try block is started or not started here?
No.
Guys, here try block is started or not started? Try block is not started. If the try block is not started,
Finally will not be executed.
yeah, finally will not be executed, right? That's all, guys. Then code is compiled fine. So code is compiled fine. This is the case where the finally block is not executed, guys. Because exception handling in not started means don't think like finally block executed. So we got the exception like arithmetic exception, right? Is that clear now? Exception in thread main, java.lang arithmetic exception, division by 0, right? Division by 0, guys. That is fine. And second case you can see here. This is one case where the final block is not executed, guys. Second case like system.exit of 0. Guys, when I written the code like system.exit of 0, yeah, when I written the code like system.exit of 0, the chain will shut down, guys, basically. By system.exit of 0 means what? The chain will shut down. If the chain will shut down, who will execute the finally block? The finally block executed, not executed then.
Not executed.
Yes, finally block executed, not executed. Not executed, right? Then code is compiled fine, code executed fine. So we got the output is what? Try only, right? Yes, we got the output is what? Only try block, guys. Finally block executed, not executed. Not executed,
Not
right? Exactly. Guys, what are the cases finally block is not executing? Case one is like if exception handling is not started, don't expect the finally block execution, right?
Yes.
What's the second case, guys? The second case will be the once you create system.exit of 0. If system.exit of 0 means what happened now? The system.exit of 0 means what happened? JVM will shut down, right? If the JVM will shut down means final block executed, not executed, right? These are the two cases where the final block is what not executed. Is that clear now? That is information, guys. And next case, like see here, two cases where final block is not executed, guys. So this is the one where whenever the counter is not entered into the try block, if exception handling is not started, it won't execute, guys. Fine. Guys, this is also small entry question, guys. The question is try block contains exception, catch block contains exception, final block contains exception. Three blocks contains exception. Guys, see here, try block contains which exception here? Try block contains which exception? Arithmetic exception.
Arithmetic.
Then catch is matched or not matched?
Matched. Parent is
Catch is matched. It's a parent class, right? It matched. It matched means what happened then? It is matched. It is matched means exception again rises. String index order bounds exception. Then after that control goes to finally block. In the finally block, A of ninth element. Any ninth element is there in the array? There is no array index order bounds exception. Tell me, guys. Try block contains exception. Catch block contains exception. Finally block contains exception. Guys, if three blocks contains exception, the JVM can display only one exception at runtime. Guys, the JVM can display how many exceptions at runtime? Only one exception at runtime. What is that exception?
Array index out of 1.
Array index out of 1.
Array index
out of 1.
Array index, yeah. So if three blocks contains exception, the JVM can display only one exception at runtime. That most recently raised exception, right? Guys, that most recently raised exception. Which one is the most recently raised exception, guys? That is called array index out of bounds exception, right? That's what now code is compiled fine, code is executed fine. So we got the exception like array index out of bounds exception, right? Yeah, small entry question, guys. If three blocks contains exception, the JVM can display only one exception message, that most recently raised exception, right? Guys, JVM can display how many exceptions? Only one exception, that most recently raised exception, right? Exactly, guys. Guys, are it clear now? This is one question, guys. And one more small entry question is, guys, I hope you know return statements. So my method is having return type is integer. Guys, my method is having return type is what? Integer. If my method is having return type is integer, so M1 method is having return type integer. Try block I return 10, catch block return 20, final block return 30. I called M1 method simply. I'm holding the return value, just I'm printing return value. Guys, this case what's output now?
30.
Try block contains return, catch block contains return, final block also contains return. What is output now? Which return will be written now?
Return value 30.
Yeah, return value is how much now?
30.
You're saying like finally block return statement, huh? Yes, out of three blocks, as per the exception handling flow, out of three block, which block executed last? Guys, out of three blocks, which block executed last? Which block executed last means definitely finally block, right? That's what it returns which output guys here, definitely finally block output, right? Exactly. Then code is compiled fine. Code is compiled fine. So CLS Java the class is called class guys here, test class. See the output guys, return value is how much now? Return value will be the 30, right? Return value will be the 30. Guys, are it clear now? Yeah, return value will be the 30, right? Exactly. Guys, see for example, I'll do some possibilities, guys. I remove this finally block. This case what is output now?
Return
Guys,
value 20.
Guys, what is output now? I removed finally block. I have only try catches. Wait, what is the output?
Return 10.
10.
Return 10 or 20?
10, sir, as there is no exception in try block.
There is no exception. Try means what? It returns only try block data, right? If it returns only try block data means then what is the output, guys? Here? So return 10 only, right? Return will be 10, guys. Return will be the 10, right? Exactly. Guys, now tell me here. I have some exception like system.out.println 10 by 0. This case what output now?
20. Return
Fill that
value
out
20.
now. Now return value is how much now? 20 is return value, right? Because exception lies in the try. Once the exception lies in the try, the control goes to which block, guys? Here.
Catch
The
block.
control goes to which block? Catch block, right? Then catch block, what it returns here? The catch block returns the, guys, catch block returns 20, right? Exactly.
Yes.
Then we got the output is what return value is how much here? Return value is 20, right? Guys, return value is how much? 20 or not? Return value is 20, right? That's it, guys. See, guys, for example, this statement is there here. Now, this case, what output now? Guys, what is output now?
See that the return statement can't be first.
Yeah, guys, return statement can't be first exactly because inside the block, the return statement should be the last statement, right? But I return statement is the first statement, guys. Maybe it's saying like unreachable statement message. Yeah, unreachable statement, guys. Which one is unreachable statement here? Because you return the first value like this, then this code is reachable, unreachable. This code is unreachable, right? Exactly. That's what I said. Like inside the blocks, the return statement should be the last statement, right?
Last.
And return statement must be what? Last statement or not. Exactly, guys. Guys, that is all about the finally block. Guys, finally block executed always both normal cases and what? Abnormal cases. To close the connection, both normal case and abnormal cases, use which block, guys, here?
Finally block.
Yes, to close the connection, both normal case and abnormal cases, use which block here? Finally block, right? Exactly. Guys, finally block, we'll discuss basic 6 cases we discussed. Only try final is valid or invalid, guys? Only try
Valid.
final is valid or invalid means definitely it is valid,
Valid.
right? Exactly.
Yes.
Only try final is valid, guys. Next one you can see how many cases final block is not executed, where the 2 cases final block is not executed. Case 1 is what? Once the exception handling is not started. Yes, exception handling is not started, final block executed, not executed. Exception handling is not started, final block is not executed, right? Exactly. What are the case 2, guys, now? Case
System
2,
dot
when you use exit of 0, right? When you use the exit of 0, then what happened here? JM will shut down in this line itself. If the JM will shut down in this line, then what happened, guys, here?
Finally
The
block will
final
not
block
be.
executed or not executed? Finally block is not executed, right? Exactly. Exactly, guys. What are the entry questions here? So tie block contains exception, catch block contains exception, final block also contains exception. If 3 blocks contains exception, the JVM can display how many exceptions at a time?
Only the
OE,
recent exception.
only one exception. Which exception? Most recent raised exception. Which one is the most recent raised exception? Final block exception, right?
Finally block.
Exactly, guys. What are case 2 now? Case 2 is like if 3 blocks are a return statement. If 3 blocks contains return statement, it can return which return, guys? Which can return what is the return? Recently written, huh? Okay. What is the recent written, guys? Finally block written, right? Okay, fine, guys. So next one, some valid and possibilities I'll write, guys. You try to check with possibilities. Guys, I written only try. Is that only try is valid syntax or invalid syntax?
Invalid.
Guys, only try is valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Only try is invalid, right? I can write can I write only catch? Guys, only try, only catch, only finally.
Not allowed.
Valid, yeah. These 3 cases definitely invalid, right? Exactly. Second case you can see, can I write the try catch now? Try
Yes.
catch valid, invalid.
Valid.
Valid. Try catch catch. Valid, invalid.
Valid. Valid.
Guys, try catch is valid. Try it multiple catch is valid, right? So
Yes.
try catch finally. Valid, invalid now.
Valid.
Valid.
Guys, try catch finally, valid, invalid. Valid, right?
Valid.
Exactly. So guys, you can write the try finally. Valid, invalid now.
Valid.
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 Try finally is also valid, right? Yes, try catch is valid, try final is valid, try catch is valid, try catch final is valid, and now see try catch finally. Now this is valid, invalid now.
Valid.
Guys, try catch finally. This is valid, invalid.
Valid.
Definitely it is also valid, right? Because try followed by multiple catches with which block here? Finally block, right?
Finally.
Exactly, guys. Yes, only try is not allowed, only catch is not allowed, only final is not allowed. Okay, so can I write the catch finally? Yes, catch and finally. Catch
Not
finally is valid,
allowed.
invalid syntax. Catch and finally is invalid syntax, right? Because there is no syntax
Try.
like that. Guys, try finally. Is that valid, invalid now?
Valid.
Try finally. Oh, 2 finalies are valid.
Invalid. The one final block will be there.
Only one final block will be there, guys. Try finally final means invalid, right?
Invalid.
This is also invalid syntax. Okay, good. Next one is what? Try. Yeah, try finally. Try finally catch. Is it valid syntax? Invalid? No.
Invalid.
Invalid.
Guys, try finally catch. Valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Invalid, right? Exactly. So you can write that try catch. Try catch. Again, you can write the finally. Yes, try catch and what? Finally. Try catch finally. Again, I written the catch. Is it valid or invalid now?
Invalid.
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 Invalid, because it won't accept this kind of data, right? Exactly, guys. Last one is a catch and try. Is that catch and try is valid syntax? Invalid
Invalid.
syntax? It's invalid, right? Yeah.
Invalid.
Guys, first one is valid or invalid? First one is invalid. Yeah. Tell me invalid cases first of all. I think this is invalid. This is
This
invalid.
is also invalid.
This is invalid.
Invalid.
I think this is valid. This is
Valid.
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 This is also valid. Okay.
Valid.
Try catch finally.
Valid.
Valid. Try catch finally. Valid.
Valid.
Catch and finally. This is invalid.
Invalid.
Try finally when valid.
Invalid.
Try finally catch invalid. Try catch finally again catch means is also invalid.
Invalid.
Catch finally is also invalid, right?
Invalid.
Yes, remaining cases are valid. This is like valid case, right? Exactly, guys. We take the valid case. So this is valid and this is valid, this is valid, and this is also valid, this is also valid, right? Yeah. Guys, I hope you got the clarity between the try, catch, and finally. Any questions, please? Guys, try block contains exceptional code. It may or may not raise an exception. Guys, try block contains exceptional code. It may or may not raise an exception. Catch block contains what? Guys, what about catch block? The catch block contains
Exceptional code. Whenever there is an
catch block
exception.
contains logic, right? Simply catch block contains logic. That logic executed whenever the exception lies in the try, right? That
Yes.
logic executed whenever the exception lies in what? Try, right?
Right.
Exactly. Whenever the exception lies in the try block, right? Yeah. What is finally block, guys? Finally block code executed always irrespective of try catches, right?
Yes.
Guys, irrespective of try catches, the finally block code executed what? Always, right? That is called try, catch, and what? Finally. Is any questions, please? Yes,
Sir,
tell me, sir.
yesterday I have joined at 9 o'clock, but I got a message that there is no class after we will inform, but later that I didn't got any information about it. When was the
Regarding
class and all? Yesterday there was a class, right?
every day, right? For your class?
At 9 o'clock I have joined the class, but that I got message that power if off, power is not there, so class will be later be informed.
No,
And
I think
later I
yesterday everyone is joined, right? Yeah,
but I
no
didn't
We
problem.
got
got the
any.
information, sir, that there was no power. We got the information. Later on, the person has asked us to join.
But
Okay,
no
fine.
one, but I didn't got any information about it.
Okay,
When was the
Vidya.
class?
Only yesterday class is missed, right? Record session is there. You try to check the record session only for one day. Okay. Cool,
Oh,
cool.
thank
That
you.
is
Okay.
a power issue, baby. Yesterday. Yeah, fine, guys. Guys, can I take one more class? I'm closing the link meeting. Just you can rejoin the meeting again.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Guys, are you clear? I'm closing the meeting. Can please rejoin the meeting because after this one, I'll make it as a one video. I'll upload this video on YouTube. If I take the 2 hours class means uploading may be issue. That's what I'm closing now. Just you can try to take just 5 minutes gap. Then you can join the class. Okay. Bye, guys.